and welcome to your channel, An Average Boy. Do you know there is a small township in the UK, very near to central London, that's breaking all stereotypes? Despite its size, this town embraces the Hindu culture like nowhere else, making it a grand celebration for everyone involved. But what place is this? Nestled in the heart of the UK, this small township boasts an incredible blend of cultures. With 3% of residents originally from India, 60% white population and 7% Hindus, this town has become a melting pot of traditions. But what place is this? This town is also home to some of the best schools in the United Kingdom, offering top-notch education without any tuition fees. But what place is this? From Ganesh Chaturthi to Ramleela, Dussehra and more, the residents here go all out in celebrating the diverse Hindu festivals from all parts of India. Celebrations don't end there. This town also lights up for Holi, sparkles during Diwali, and resonates with devotion during Janmashtami and Hanuman Jayanti, Saraswati Puja, Mahavir Jayanti, and many more. Each festival adds its own unique flavor. But what place is this? Sutton. In this small UK township south of London, the celebration of Hindu festivals is not just a tradition. It's a way of showing the magnanimity and richness of Hindu traditions. Make sure to visit Sutton and to check what's on when you come. These pictures truly capture the essence of the town's Sanatan vibes.